iPhone 15, they're saying that it's actually pink, okay? That put a smile on my face. Look at these teeth. Hey beauty, this is Keisha. Welcome to the channel. This is my very first iPhone unboxing, okay? I was not going to get a new phone. I was not going to get a new phone, but this baby came out. This baby came out. I have currently the iPhone 12 Pro, okay, in green. Green is not my color, honey. I just like the money. Anyway, pink is my color, and I know you guys probably heard it so many times. Pink is my favorite color. Pink is my favorite color. That's why I got the phone. Lies. I'm just joking. Anyway, but pink is my favorite color for real. But anyway, let's go. Y'all ready for this unboxing? Y'all ready for this unboxing? Come on. Okay, so this is gonna be me taking it off. Ooh, how you do it like this? I haven't got no nails. Hopefully mine. Okay. Oh, look at this. Wow. This is really pretty. Can you guys see? Hey! Like the Parkers. Yes, this is really, really, really nice. Oh my goodness. This is really pretty. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is hot. This is really hot. Wow. And then you have the braided cord so you can charge. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely stunning. Wow. All my cases for this phone is clear. So let me show you guys the cases real quick. So I have this case here. All right. And you guys seen the popular clear case, but it's white with the ring, so I guess you can charge it. And then, of course, I have a screen protector for the phone. And then I have one of these here. And it has the sparkle. See the glitter? Yeah. Alright, we have that. And I have this case too as well. There's another case that I just ordered from Shein, so I will see if I can insert a picture so you guys can see it. Really, really, really cute. Really nice. It's a teddy bear. So adorable. And then I have this other clear case here. And you guys could see the glitter on the back. Okay? Let me tell you something. If you are an honest hard worker, treat your doggone self, okay? Treat yourself. Don't be afraid to splurge on yourself, okay? Of course, be generous with your funds, okay? You reap what you sow, right? But it's okay to splurge on yourself. It's okay to buy something nice, okay? This should be my last phone, y'all. But seriously, this should be my last phone until Apple comes out with another pink iPhone, but it's upgraded to the max, okay? And it's just like futuristic type of stuff going on, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking about the Jetsons type of situation going on. I mean, it's that techie. But anyways, yeah, I'm not trying to spend on no phone every single year back to back. Mercy, most I have mercy, be his will. This beautiful pink iPhone is gonna hold me down for a long time, for years and years to come, okay? So now I have the Apple Watch now too as well. So this is the Apple Watch here. This is the box. All right. So guess what color I got? Guess what color I got? What color I get? Guess. Girl, shut up. You know it's pink. Okay. So I am ripping off the box. So I'm ripping off these stickers. All right. Look at this. Okay. And it is, yeah, I guessed it. It is pink. You see? It is pink. Ow. Okay. It's a little faded out, but this is it here. This is the pink here. Okay. So this, it is so feminine, so soft and dainty. It really is. I mean, this iPhone is so hot that you got dudes buying the pink iPhone and walking around with a pink iPhone. I'm not approving that, but you know, I can understand their exquisite taste. Okay. But anyways, what y'all think about this baby? What y'all think? Leave it in the comment section. This is really cute. Okay, this is really cute. I mean, I'm pinked out. Okay, so pinked out that people might think I got issues, but I don't give a dang. You know, pink is such a beautiful color. It's been my color since I was a little girl. It's been my color. Okay, yes. I've been on pink before Cameron the rapper was wearing all pink and had the pink Jeep and everything like that. Man, forget that. I was on pink way before him. He's slow. Okay, I've been on. But anyway, what do you guys think about the phone? Do you guys have the phone? And you don't have to get the pink one. I know everybody's on the pink one. Well, most people are jumping on the pink iPhone 15 wave. But if you have a different color, green, blue, yellow, hey, leave in the comment section down below. Okay, those two colors between the green and pink really stood out, and the colors are not flushed. It's actually pigmented. Okay, and that's what I like. I like pigmented colors. Okay, I don't like that flush stuff. Okay, let me see my colors. Okay, I like bright colors. All right, so yeah, so anyway, hit the like button. Okay, leave a comment, and also I will be back with some more commentary. Boy, say bye to the pretty baby. Bye.